Hey my Blossom, so today I am going to be showing you guys the fidgets that I got from Learning Express. And I didn't get that much, but yeah, in the description, the thing for Learning Express will be down in the description, so check that out. But yeah, now I'll be showing you guys the fidgets that I got. So first, I'm going to start with kind of uncommon. So I got these. They're the mochis. I got a squirrel and then a snail. Like that. But I got these two. And they are very cute. They're cute. But yeah, I got those. Then, next, I think this one's really cool. It's a zip bracelet. I think it's very, very cool. But you can like zip it. It's very satisfying. But yeah, this one's really cool. Then I got this. This is the snappers. It's very cool. But sometimes it does get stuck. That's the only thing I don't really like about it. But next is, I really like these. They're very, really, really, really cool. But these, let me show you guys the sound. They're very satisfying, and they get like very, very big. Like it keeps going and going and going, but they are very cool. But the only thing that sucks is you have to do this, and when you're doing this, you get pinched very easily, but it is really cool. So I do recommend these. They are very, very cool. I just got these colors. Yeah, I don't know why. But yeah, these are really cool. And then next, I got a simple dimple. But this is really cool. Also, you can like put on your pants, a bag, or anything. But I do recommend this one because it is very cool. Yeah. And then I got this. It's a butterfly poppet. This is the good side. And this is the other side. It's not that good. It sounds good, but in real life it's kind of hard to push down. But this one is very cool. But yeah, that was it. I didn't get that much, so sorry if this was a short video. But yeah, that was it. And hope you guys have a good day or night. And yeah, that was it. Bye.